up here on the Cumberland Highway, ladies and gentlemen, on the 18th of March 2025. We've got ourselves an absolute convoy going on right now. We've got oversized truck here. It's with the Kenworth, you can see that, and we're rolling with the gas tanker here as well. Absolute weapons on the road. Truckspotting Australia, live here on the 18th. Got the gas tanker in front there. It came off the M4 at the Cumberland Highway. There goes that beast. Absolute beast. Tanker is there. Yeah, very nice boys. Check out the Kenworth. T610 SAR, very nice. Yeah, look at that nice one there. There you go, K104. Oh, actually, that's a K100. My apologies. T610 SAR. So today's video, ladies and gentlemen, is the Cumberland Highway experience, and here on the 18th, and we are doing, we're here almost at Canley Vale. We've got some more trucks. Another Mercedes over there. Sorry for the bumping, folks, we're in the car. Very good. Have a direct freight service on there. And we've got another beautiful Kenworth right here. Beautiful, nice. Oh wow! Here we go. On the way back now, folks. That's beautiful. Currently in Smithfield on the Cumberland Highway, and we continue our Cumberland Highway experience. We've got the tipper there, Volvo. We've got the Mack there. Good. Got the Volvo. It's Gold Tiger. We nice one there, the Vizzy coming through. Very good. We've got the Kent. Kenworth tipper coming through. Nice T909. Hey, check out the shores. Very good. Oh yeah, look at that one. Here we go, we've got a Fred here, folks. It's, oh, very nice. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Very nice. He's gone. Let's stop at that one. Camera over there. Very good. Fox. The Water Express, another Cameron. Very good. Asian one that I seen yesterday. Yeah. They're all coming out to play today. Here's the Fred, folks. Get right up on it. Well, you betcha. As you know, I've done Freds on American Truck Simulator. He's an absolute weapon of a Kenworth. What a beast. Look at this weapon. Absolute beast. Go you mighty Kenny. Go down the Shepperton. Well, we're off the Cumberland Highway now, folks, and there's our final one right there. Thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Hooroo!